Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting video. Today I'm going to introduce you to my very own trading script, one that has helped me secure some of the most profitable trades. I've personally tested and refined this script over time, and now I'm excited to share it with you. Right now, as you can see on my screen, I have opened the BTC crypto chart on TradingView. At this moment, there are no indicators added, just a clean chart. But that's about to change. I'll be adding my custom script to this chart and walking you through how it works, step by step. Stick around because I'll not only show you how to apply the script, but also demonstrate how to use it effectively in your own trading. First, head over to my Patreon page. I've added the link in the description below for easy access. Once you're there, look for the post titled God EMA Setup. Inside that post, you'll find an attachment containing the script. Now, keep in mind that this script is exclusively available to paid members, so if you haven't already, make sure to become a member to unlock access. Once you're in, go ahead and download the file and copy the script provided. Next, switch over to TradingView. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the Pine editor. Click on it to open. Now simply paste the copied script into the editor. Once that's done, click on Add to Chart, and just like that, the script will instantly appear on your chart. That's all there is to it. Now you're all set to start using this powerful EMA setup. Now that we've added the script to the chart, you'll notice two ribbons appearing, one in red and one in green. These ribbons serve as a visual guide to help you identify trends more easily. The red ribbon represents a downtrend, indicating that the price is in a bearish phase. The green ribbon represents an uptrend, signaling that the price is moving in a bullish direction. Pretty simple, right? Now, let's take a look at the script settings to see how you can customize it to fit your trading style. By default, the script comes with a preset configuration of EMAs, but don't worry, you have complete flexibility. You can adjust the EMA values based on your preference or trading strategy. If you prefer different periods or settings, feel free to tweak them. Not only that, but you can also customize the colors of the EMAs to make them more visually appealing or align with your personal charting style. Whether you want a brighter look or something more subtle, it's all up to you. All right, let's customize the script settings to match my most used setup. First, I'm going to adjust the EMAs. EMA 1 will be set to 8, EMA 2 will be set to 34, EMA 3 will be set to 4. For EMA 4 and EMA 5, I'll keep them the same as EMA 1 and EMA 2, ensuring consistency in my setup. This configuration has worked really well for me, and I use it regularly in my trading strategies. However, remember that trading is all about personal preference and adaptability. If you feel the need to tweak these values, go ahead and adjust them according to your trading style. Now let's talk about visuals. If you want to make the chart easier to read, you can adjust the opacity of the ribbon colors from this section. This will help you fine-tune how bold or subtle the ribbons appear on your chart. Additionally, if you prefer a different color scheme, you can change the EMA colors right here as well. Once you're happy with the settings, simply click OK, and you're all set. Now let's move on to how we can use this setup effectively for spotting trends and making better trade decisions. Now, let's take a look at a real example on the chart. Notice this area right here. This is where the ribbon is formed, giving us a clear visual cue for a potential trade setup. Here's how we use it for entries and exits. When a red ribbon appears, it signals a downtrend, meaning we should consider entering a short trade at the very beginning of the red ribbon. The trade can then be closed either when the red ribbon disappears or when a green ribbon starts to form, indicating a trend reversal. On the other hand, when a green ribbon appears, it signals an uptrend, which is a great opportunity for a long trade. We enter the trade at the start of the green ribbon and exit either at the end of the green ribbon or when the red ribbon begins to form. This approach helps us ride the trend efficiently. The ribbons act as a visual confirmation, making it easier to spot trend shifts and take action accordingly. Now that you understand how to use these signals, let's move on and see this strategy in action on a live market chart. To fine-tune my setup and make it more responsive to price action, I'm going to adjust EMA 2 and EMA 5 from 34 to 20. By doing this, the EMAs will react faster to price changes, helping me identify potential trade opportunities more quickly. A shorter EMA like 20 is more sensitive to recent price movements compared to 34, which means it can give earlier signals for trend shifts. Right now, I'm patiently waiting for the red ribbon to form because I want to catch the full downtrend and maximize my profit. By riding the entire bearish move, I can take advantage of the momentum and get a solid trade setup. However, the red ribbon is taking some time to appear, and I don't want to just sit around and wait. Instead of missing potential opportunities, I've decided to do a quick scalping trade using this same setup. Looking at the chart, I see that a green ribbon has formed, which signals a bullish trend. Since the market is showing strength, I've decided to enter a buy trade right here to capture some quick profits. For this trade, I've set my target profit at the previous market high, as that's a strong resistance level where the price might react. To manage my risk, I've placed my stop loss at the low of this candle, ensuring I have a clear exit plan if the market moves against me. Since the green ribbon is still continuing, there's no need to worry. This indicates that the market is maintaining its upward momentum, and as long as the ribbon remains intact, the trend is likely to stay bullish. When we have a strong uptrend like this, we can trade with confidence, knowing that the price is more likely to move in our favor. And there it is. The price has just touched my target level. As expected, the bullish momentum pushed the market upwards, hitting my take profit level perfectly. With that, the trade has been successfully closed in profit. This is exactly why I love using this setup. It provides clear trend signals and helps me make confident trading decisions. Now let's take a look at the chart across different time frames so you can understand the bigger picture more clearly. Analyzing multiple time frames helps us confirm trends and make more informed trading decisions. First, let's check the 15-minute time frame. Here, we can see that a green ribbon has formed, signaling a bullish trend. This means we have a good opportunity to enter a buy trade right at this point and ride the upward move. Next, let's switch to the 1-hour time frame. As you can see, the green ribbon is still intact, which confirms that the market is continuing its bullish momentum. Since higher time frames hold more weight, this tells us that buyers are still in control. Finally, let's look at the 1-day time frame. Here, we can clearly see that the market is in a full downtrend, with a strong red ribbon indicating bearish pressure. This means that while lower time frames may show short-term bullish moves, the overall market structure is still bearish on the larger scale. This is the power of using this script. It helps you quickly identify market trends across different time frames, making it easier to decide when to enter and exit trades with confidence. Right now, I'm patiently waiting for the red ribbon to appear because that's my signal to enter a sell trade. The red ribbon indicates that the market is shifting into a downtrend, and I want to catch the move early to maximize my profit potential. And there it is. The red ribbon has just formed, confirming the bearish trend. Without wasting any time, I'm entering a short trade right here to take advantage of the downward momentum. Now, at this point, we have two options for managing this trade. One, ride the full downtrend. This means holding on to the trade as long as the red ribbon remains intact, allowing us to capture the maximum possible profit from the trend. Two, take profit at the previous low. This is a safer approach where we book profits at a key support level, minimizing risk while still securing a solid gain. Both strategies have their advantages, and the choice depends on your risk appetite and market conditions. Right now, I want to play it safe and secure my profits, so I've decided to close the trade at the previous low, which is marked by this black line on the chart. This level acts as a key support zone where the price might react, so locking in profits here is a smart choice to minimize risk. Now let's take a closer look at the chart. The price is trying to push upward, but notice that the red ribbon is still intact. This tells us that the overall trend remains bearish, meaning the sellers are still in control. Because of this, we can confidently stay in the trade without worrying about a sudden reversal. Look at that. The price is once again moving in my favor, following the downtrend just as expected. This is why I trust this setup. It provides clear signals and helps us make logical trading decisions. Now, the price is getting very close to my target level, which means it's time to take action. Instead of waiting for an automatic exit, I'll manually close the trade right here and book my profit. Another successful trade using this strategy. In the next video, I'll be taking things a step further. This time, I'll try to capture the full trend using this script, showing you how to ride the market from start to finish for maximum profit. So you can see how to maximize profits by riding the trend from start to finish. Not just that, I'll also be posting new videos where I combine this script with other powerful indicators to enhance trade accuracy even further. This way, you'll get even more insights into how to fine-tune your trading strategy using multiple confirmations. One of the most important things to keep in mind while trading is knowing when not to trade. Avoiding false signals can save you from unnecessary losses and improve your overall success rate. Let's take a look at the chart. At this point, a red ribbon has formed, but notice something important. It's very thin and flat. In situations like this, it's best to stay out of the trade because a thin and flat ribbon indicates a lack of strong momentum. The market might be moving sideways, making it difficult to catch a clear trend. A simple rule to follow: take a trade only when the ribbon is broad and well-defined. Avoid trading when the ribbon is narrow and weak. Here's another example of a no-trade zone. Look at this section. The ribbons are very narrow, which means there is no strong trend in either direction. Taking a trade here could result in getting caught in choppy price action, leading to unnecessary losses. And here's one more example. Again, you can see that the ribbon is thin and flat. This is another clear sign to avoid entering a trade because the market lacks a clear directional move. By following this simple strategy and avoiding weak setups, you'll filter out false signals and improve your overall trade quality. Always wait for a strong and clear ribbon before entering a position. If you'd like to get your hands on this script, you can download it from my Patreon page. The link is in the description. Plus, I'm constantly updating my scripts and adding new trading tools to my page, so be sure to check back regularly. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps me create more valuable content for you. See you in the next one. Happy trading.